Introducing the Kordz BeltPak, a breakthrough in packaging for professional installation of connectivity products like pre-terminated cables and connectors. Integrators face a common challenge on large projects: storing, transporting, and unpacking countless cables and connectors in bulky single-use plastic packs, and then cleaning up and disposing of the waste. Kordz' answer: the innovative and environmentally friendly BeltPak. This patent-pending and award-winning packaging solution transforms the logistics and handling of connectivity products, whilst also making them more economical. As demonstrated here with our award-winning SlimCat Patch Cords, BeltPak features a multi-pack strip of 10 individual tear-off packs, each containing a Kordz professional-grade pre-terminated cable that's been individually performance tested to deliver connectivity assured. Made from durable, 100% recyclable paper, BeltPak is a testament to Kordz' commitment to both quality and sustainability. For integrators, BeltPak saves time, money, and hassle. The compact design minimizes packaging, bulk, and waste. The ergonomic features make it easy to count, carry, and deploy, and BeltPak can be slung over the shoulders, leaving hands free to perform other tasks. Kordz is at the forefront of innovative, efficient, and environmentally responsible professional connectivity solutions. To discover more about how BeltPak can revolutionize your installations, please visit Kordz.com.